Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best pottery kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark creativity in your child. Pottery is a fantastic activity that not only provides hours of fun but also nurtures artistic skills. In this video, we're diving into the world of pottery kits for kids, exploring what makes a great kit, and helping you choose the perfect one to unleash your child's inner artist. Let's get started and find the best pottery kit for your little ones. Number 5. Hapinest Clay Jewelry Dish Craft Kit for Girls. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one clay art kit. It allows girls to mix, match, and mold their designs into unique creations. This is perfect for making personalized jewelry dishes. The kit includes everything needed to get started. It comes with non-toxic polymer clay, vibrant colors, artist brushes, gems, glitter, tools, and easy instructions. Everything is included. Designed for creative play, this kit offers a hands-on experience for kids. They can bake their dishes at home with adult supervision. It's a fun way to create lasting memories. Looking for the perfect gift? This DIY clay craft kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or craft parties. It provides hours of fun and creative expression for girls. For the best results, make sure the clay is properly conditioned. Soften it by kneading before use to avoid any issues. This will make it easier to shape and mold. What we like? This kit lets you craft unique jewelry dishes. It includes everything you need, from clay to glitter. If you're looking for a fun and creative activity for girls, this is a great choice. It's perfect for making personalized gifts or keepsakes. What people say? It comes with everything you need to create beautiful and unique jewelry dishes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it perfect for all ages. The clay is high quality and easy to work with, and the finished dishes are both functional and stylish. Number 4. National Geographic Pottery Wheel for Kids. This complete pottery kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start creating beautiful air-dry pottery. It's a fun and engaging way to explore your creativity. The kit comes with 2 pounds of air-dry clay, sculpting tools, paints, and an apron. This set has everything to get you started. It's designed to make the pottery experience easy and enjoyable. The integrated arm tools make pottery easy for both right and left-handed users. The design is perfect for beginners of all ages. It helps with centering, opening, and shaping the clay. The plug-in motor provides steady power and rotation. It has 2 speeds to accommodate different stages of the pottery making process. This allows for greater control and precision. The kit includes detailed instructions with video lessons and a learning guide. It teaches the science and history of pottery. This will help you learn and create amazing pottery. We are proud to offer high-quality educational toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. We are committed to making things right for you. What we like? This pottery wheel is designed for beginners of all ages. It features innovative arm tools to help with centering and shaping. If you're eager to learn pottery, this wheel's plug-in motor and included instructions make it easy to get started. It's a great way to explore the art of pottery. What people say? Granddaughter has had hours of fun creating. Easy to use and set up. Worked so well. Buy extra clay. Number 3. Faber-Castell Pottery Studio, Kids Pottery Wheel Kit. Discover the Faber-Castell Pottery Studio. This kit is perfect for kids aged 8 and up, offering a fun and engaging way to explore the world of pottery. It includes everything they need to get started. This complete kit comes with 3 pounds of air-dry clay, a pottery wheel, paint, and sculpting tools. It's designed to make learning pottery easy and enjoyable for beginners. They can create amazing things. Looking for a great gift idea? This pottery wheel kit is a fantastic choice for kids who love arts and crafts. It encourages creativity and provides hours of fun. It is a great gift. The Faber-Castell Pottery Studio is fully assembled and ready to use. The kit includes illustrated instructions to help them learn how to use the pottery wheel and hand sculpt clay. They will love it. This hands-on craft experience teaches new techniques and inspires creativity. Kids can mold and sculpt air-dry pottery, developing their motor skills. It's a great sensory activity. Power the pottery wheel with a USB cord or batteries. It features a 2-speed option and a built-in tray for tools and paint. This makes the pottery process easy and accessible. What we like. This kit offers a complete pottery experience with quality materials. It includes everything you need to start creating right away. If you like the flexibility of powering your wheel with either a USB cord or batteries, this is a great option. It's perfect for beginners and provides hours of creative fun. What people say. It's perfect for a first-time, just learning wheel. Easy setup, came with everything you need. Everything you need is included, and works really well. Number 2. Hapinest Clay Handprint Bowl Kit for Kids. This kit includes everything needed to make unique handprint bowls. It's a complete DIY kit with vibrant colors and easy instructions. It's a fun and creative project for kids. Inside, you'll find 36 polymer clay blocks in 12 colors, along with tools and instructions. This kit allows kids to create several personalized bowls. It's a great way to make lasting keepsakes. The kit provides detailed instructions to guide children through the process. With 12 colors, they can mix and swirl to make each bowl unique. The finished product is both fun and functional. This clay craft is perfect for enhancing creativity in children ages 6 and up. It's an excellent gift for birthdays or holidays. It turns a simple craft into a memorable experience. The clay might be firm, especially for younger children. To soften it, knead it with warm hands. An adult can help with the initial rolling to make crafting easier. Bake the clay bowls at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes to avoid brittleness. Let them cool completely before handling for the best durability. This ensures the bowls are strong and long-lasting. What we like. This kit allows you to create personalized handprint bowls. It includes detailed instructions to guide children. If you are looking for a memorable and creative activity for kids, this is a great choice. It transforms a simple craft project into a keepsake. What people say. Amazing, way better than expected. We made different shapes. The clay did not come out like dishware, sort of easily breakable as I expected, which was great. It sort of formed like a bendable plastic result, which is nice because it can tolerate different designs and wear. Loved doing this. I was able to make 6 hands with my 3-year-old's hand. This will be Christmas gifts for most of ladies in our life to put earrings, rings, etc. The clay really wasn't horrible to roll out, just need patience. I didn't have oven-safe bowls, so I used a large muffin pan and I'm happy with it. Baked 275 for 20 minutes and they did harden, but definitely have to be very careful with it, so hoping no one has issues with breaking them. So sweet and simple gift. White heart. Number 1. Cool Maker Pottery Studio Craft Kit. With the Cool Maker Pottery Studio, it's easy to sculpt, design, and paint your own pottery clay creations. It's a whole new way to create with clay, allowing you to bring your ideas to life. This pottery wheel kit comes with everything you need to make amazing arts and crafts projects. You can create things like a jewelry dish or a cupcake pencil holder. The possibilities are endless. Give your clay creations your own unique twist with the sculpting tools and metallic paints. Shape however you like, then paint your creations to create a totally unique, custom design that reflects your personal style. The Cool Maker Pottery Studio is designed for ages 8 and up. It requires 4C batteries, which are not included. Additional clay refills and project kits are sold separately. The kit includes a pottery studio, spray bottle, tool holder, clay discs, a paintbrush, sculpting tools, cores, sleeves, paint, and an instruction guide. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This pottery studio makes it easy to sculpt and paint your own creations. It comes with everything you need to make amazing projects. If you like customizing your designs with unique colors and tools, this is a great choice. It's a fun way to explore your creativity. What people say. With this kit, I like creative approach that they took to include a dome mold in the middle. It is a really practical way to make this easy and fun to use. She was able to complete one of the projects, from start to finish, 100% on her own, and she had a blast doing it. It came with plenty of clay to use, and instructions for things to make. The metallic paint is really pretty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.